Sir Bros Degree. Oh yes. Oh, Dan Kunik, Ma'am Elves TV from Adrian Max Vlog. Ayan, salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much. Adrian, maraming salamat ha.
Adrian Remix. Nakaroon ba sa publicity lang nga?
Ha?
Sa Adrian Remix.
Oh. You're welcome, Adrian.
Adrian Remix.
Ayan, inano ko lang si Sir Bro sa mga ano at saka ikaw kasi pa-end na ako. Ayoko magduha ka oras, isang oras kalahati lang. Oh. Ayan, nakaano na ako. Oh. Isang oras kalahati na tayo. Ayan oh, naano ko na kayo. Oh yes. Ayan. Uy, ano. Adrian, full watch na ako. Full watch sa mahogany. Mahogany tree plantation nature. Wow, lawak ka. Mahogany. All what's na? All what's na, Adrian? All what's na? Adrian Remix Vlog. Ayan, thank you so much. Ayan, dito naman tayo kay Sir Bros. Sir Bros. This is your video, ha?
Lucy Warren World.
Ayan, full watch kay Adrian. Oh yes, ayan si Lucy Warren. Miss Lucy Warren on the way to you, my friend. Oh yes. Oh, +1, my friend, Lucy. +1. Automatic, guys. If I use the extra account or we are alagad. If not yet connected, I will do connect to you. I will add. Ayan, Spyro the Dragon Stone. Oh yes. Ayan guys, thank you so much sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much. Ako po ay hindi na magtatagal. Kasi 1 hour and kalahati lang po tayo. Kasi meron pa tayong gagawin. Ayan. Thank you so much sa inyong mga presents. Thank you. Sis Joy, ilabi na sa iyo. Ang dami mong tusok. And sa inyong lahat. Ayan. Ma'am Elves TV. Sir Rickman. Sir Let's Do the Philippines. Sis Eileen Makes Vlog, Sis Margie, thank you so much. Sis Eileen, Sis Ogang, Ma'am Elves TV, Sis Chris Channel 1, Miss Lucy Warrens, ayan, si Alive Makes Vlog, si Adrian Remix Vlog, ayan, James Salim, thank you. And sa ating super chatters, no other than Sir Bill Evans from California. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you for the blessing you shared. Thank you, and God will bless you more and more. Thank you. And also, Sir Gaming Zone, thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your support, for always coming to my live. Thank you. Sir Bros Wine, the Grey. Ayan. Si Miss Lucy Warrens. Ayan. Sa inyong lahat, guys. Trupa Vlogs 101. Ayan. Sino bang hindi ko na ano? Si Triple T. Ayan. Oy, Triple T. I full watch to your video, ha? Triple T. Full watch to the latest one. Full watch. Okay? Triple T. Thank you so much. Kabuyaks as well. Maraming salamat, Kabuyaks. Sis Margie TV. Na-miss ko si Jo. Sis Jo busy. Ayan, namakansa siya, nag-tune in lang. Ayan, Sis Margie, thank you so much. Sis Steve Tersacos, ito ay from Sis Joy Salim. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat sa walang sawang support. God bless you always. Ayan, see you on my next live tomorrow, everyday. Ayan, hindi na po tayo mahabang live. 1 hour is enough. Ayan, thank you so much. The important, we have an update to our channel. So, yan lang po. Bye-bye na. Naka-ano na ba ako sa highlights? Naka-click na ba ako?